Hello everyone, welcome to this installation guide for wardrobe lift. Please have the product and accessories shown in the picture ready. Confirm the cabinet depth and ensure the product is installed centrally. The internal height of the cabinet must be 900 mm. Using screws to secure the support brackets for the clothing rod onto the left and right center lines. After installing the support brackets, pull down the support arm and attach the crossbar connector. Assemble the handle or pull and secure it with screws. Insert the handle into the rod, then positioning, with rubber rings on both ends for alignment. Attach the telescopic tube sleeves on both sides. Insert the crossbar into the connectors on both sides and secure it with hex screws. After adjusting the crossbar distance, tighten the locking sleeve by hand, using the hex screw as a leverage point to secure the telescopic tube. Test the installation, ensure it pulls down smoothly for easy access to clothes and rises back with a quiet, soft close buffer.